Alright, yo, what's good? So I've just completed my first month on a live account, and I can safely say the month went alright. If you didn't watch the first few videos, the first week went crazy. Here's the weekly stats for that. I was actually like 33% up on the account or something, it was fucking insane. Second week went decent, I was up once again, which is crazy for my first 2 weeks. And then since then, I've been over leveraging, over trading, it's not been going well. I've been losing money, and my account is now at $338, okay? So that's our starting point for this video, man. We're gonna see if we can end the week above that number. That is the goal. But yeah, last week was horror, man. I'm just trying to restart. My trading plan is just one trade a day. Got to be a 10 out of 10 setup. Below or above the 200 EMA, depending on which way the trend is going. Break a structure, gap in the zone. Just going with the trend. 10 out of 10 setups only, man. That's all we're looking for. I'm going to be throwing these setups in the Discord when I see a nice one. So if you want to join that, then that'd be cool. I also might be streaming this week. I'll see. I'll probably stream on Monday and then see if I like it, see how it goes, and then maybe continue. I've also got my Instagram, which I'll soon enough be posting my profits and losses on, just on my story. And the goal for this week, man, just to end on profit once again. Let's see if we can do it. If I don't see a good trade, then I won't take one. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you in the first trade, man. Alright, so I'm gonna make this quick because I didn't actually take a trade today. But today I was streaming. It was actually really chill, to be honest. But I think it did distract me a little bit because I missed trades such as this one on screen, which was very clean. But yeah, the stream was still fun, not gonna lie. It was cool just talking to some people from my Discord. Just did a random ass fucking face reveal, I guess. Like, don't know why, just felt like it. But yeah, it was fun. Didn't take any trades though. There was nothing really jumping out to me. Everything was just dropping today pretty much. So I didn't get many chances to take any supplies because they never came back up to them. But yeah, that's about it for today, man. I'll see you tomorrow and hopefully I will take a trade. So yeah, peace. Alright, so today I took one trade. It's still early in the day. I literally closed this trade about 30 minutes after my trading day even starts. So I got the rest of the day ahead of me because I'm even going to take this one. And it was beautiful, man. It was honestly amazing. So I took a live trade for this. So if you haven't seen that, then that's uploaded already. But I took this trade for a nice like 1 to 3. I was going to hold it up to here, but I kind of pussied out, which is fine. Still held it for a 1 to 3, which is real nice. But it is still going. And hey, what we're going to do about it, it's already done now. But yeah, I'm just hella happy about this trade, man. It was really nice. There was a couple of things that I didn't like though, which was that it was below the 200 EMA and the zone was a little bit big. But other than that, bro, amazing. It was kind of counter trend as well, but this breaker structure was absolutely beautiful and it had been coming down for quite a while, for like a whole hour of just shooting down. So it was going to retrace at some point and it didn't break the low and it started going up. So I got in at this breaker candle, got an easy 1 to 3, and yeah, it was beautiful, man. One of my best trades for a while. But yeah, this was on GJ once again. If you haven't watched like some of my other videos, basically GJ for some reason doesn't let me place high lot sizes at all. So this was literally $5 risk, which, you know, ideally it's a bit more than that because my account's a bit bigger than 2% being $5, but that's okay. We still got like $19, I believe, and yeah, I'm happy with that, man. So yeah, that's my trade today. It's honestly beautiful, and it looks like maybe it's now heading down, but I'll see you for my trade tomorrow, man. Peace. Alright, so once again today I didn't take a trade, but today it was even more reasonable because it was just news. So I was streaming. Honestly, actually it was funny as hell, I ain't gonna lie. Like, the streams are kind of crazy. But we were looking at this AU demand for so long. Like, it created it and then finally tapped into it literally 5 minutes before news happened. And whilst it would have won, I'm not gonna trade news. Like... I'm just not on that, but yeah, that's actually really nice. So it's unfortunate that it was just a news candle, but yeah, man, no trades again today. And this is NFP week, I think I forgot to mention. So honestly, there is news for the rest of the week. So I'm gonna be trying to take my setups before 1:30 for the next 2 days. So let's hope I can at least catch one more setup for the week, because usually I take fucking 10, 15 setups, but I'm trying to just take one a day. But I can't even get to that with these news times, man. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you tomorrow, man. Peace. Alright, bro, I've just taken my trade for the day, and this is really unfortunate. I took GU. I actually still really like the setup. Like, it was quite unfortunate that it didn't hit. We're below the 200 EMA. Nice breaker structure on a downtrend on the 5 minute, at least at the moment. And got a nice breaker candle, and it was going quite well. But eventually just, well, I say eventually, it happened very quickly. Literally just came all the way up. Just used us as like liquidity or some shit. And who knows what it's going to do now, but yeah, that was really unfortunate. And also, I have a position sizer, on MetaTrader and on everything, and I have it on like 2% on everything now. But I don't think I've traded GU since early last week when I was kind of over leveraging. So I had it on 4% for some reason, and I lost $15 on this trade when it should have been about $7.50. So that's a fat loss. It's about 4% of the account. I mean, yeah, that makes sense. But yeah, I'll just make sure not to make that mistake in the future. This ain't me just like acting like I was just not over leveraging. Like genuinely, I was wondering why, because I placed a stop loss in MetaTrader, and I was like, why is it $15? But I kind of realized after the trade ended that the position size was on 4%. But yeah, man, news has kind of been fucking everything up this week, not gonna lie. It's NFP week. NFP is tomorrow, so don't know if I'll even trade, to be honest, which is pretty crazy. This is gonna be the most boring week recap if I've taken... My dog's barking, great. Yeah, this is about to be the most boring weekly recap if I take 2 trades with 1 win and 1 loss about the same size. It's just gonna be like dull as hell. But hey, that's how trading is, bro. Trading the boring. If you're having too much fun on it, then you're doing something wrong. But yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace. Alright, what's good? So today I took 1 trade. This is NFP day, so it's still pretty early in the day because I don't want to be taking any trades after news has happened. But this is just a very small loss. I could have taken my 1-to-1 because I got in at the break of this candle and I had a pretty tight stop loss, and it did hit 1-to-1, but once again I got pretty greedy. I was looking to get a little bit more than that, and it just did this massive engulfing candle to the downside, which is fucking 8 pips. So that's pretty crazy. But hey, I followed my rules. It was quite a nice trade, to be honest. Like, I probably should have taken it 1-to-1, but all good. But yeah, that's about it for the week, man, in terms of trades. Show you my weekly stats and I'll talk a little bit more. So yeah, see you in a second. Alright, what's good? So I'm gonna just quickly start this bit off with saying something I think is really important. As long as I follow my rules, I'm okay with my results. That is a fact, but that's what a lot of people need to come to terms with when it comes to trading, which I guess I wasn't, to be honest, last week. I'm not even gonna lie. Last week and the weeks before, where I've been kind of over leveraging, and I wasn't okay with losing because my losses were quite fucking big because I was just taking so many trades, trying to get my shit back, just losing so much. And this week has been perfectly fine, because I'm risking good amounts, and if I lose I can just walk away from the charts and not even be stressed out and just wait for the next day. But yeah, man, I'm really happy with this week, even though I'm in the red, especially since on Thursday, if it wasn't for the fact that I accidentally put higher lot size, then I would be in the green. But you know, that happened, don't really care. We'll just make sure that doesn't happen again. It's just another lesson to learn, you know. But overall this week I'm literally down £30.25, sorry, dollars, and that is a 0.96% decrease on the account. That is completely fine. I'm just happy that I was following my trading rules this week. Well, my trading plan. Yeah, man. I didn't really take many trades because it's NFP week. I don't trust shit, and news was kind of fucking everything up. But we will continue next week, man. Hopefully I can get a couple more trades. Hopefully I can get some more live trades out. I'll do some more streams as well. But other than that, man, I'll see you next week, or whatever video I upload next. Yeah, peace.